In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make thumbnails using your mobile phone to improve your click-through rate and get more views. Thumbnails are one of the most important things to getting a lot of traffic here on YouTube. In case you're new here, I'm Gloria. I make tricks and tips videos to help you grow your YouTube channel fast. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So you're gonna start by opening your favorite browser, and mine is gonna be Safari, and I'm going to change it to landscape so that you can follow it easily. Go to canva.com, then you'll get this website and sign up for free and click the X at the top to continue. Tap on the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnails, and you'll find a lot of available templates that you can use for free. So let's have a quick overview. Uploads. As it sounds, we shall be using it for uploading media or photos that you want to use. Text. Here you can choose the type of font that you like to use, and please consider using a font that is easily readable. Those are the main two features we shall be using. So let's design a simple thumbnail for a skincare routine perhaps. Like this is just an example, but you can also try it on any other niche that you like. So we are going to use skincare routine. So if we go to templates and search for skincare, we already have a bunch of templates to choose from, and just edit it to make it look more appealing and clickable, and we shall export it. So in case you want to grow your YouTube channel with free tips and tricks videos, be sure to subscribe and give us like for this video, and you can also watch some of our playlists, which is right here. See you there. Have a nice time. Bye.